Hey everyone! Huawei has been making headlines recently with its impressive lineup of new products unveiled at a global launch event. Among these, the MatePad 11.5 tablet, MateBook 14, Watch Fit 3, MateBook X Pro, and FreeBuds 6i earbuds have captured the attention of tech enthusiasts worldwide. Notably, Huawei also introduced a new beige color option for their popular FreeClip earbuds, expanding the aesthetic choices for consumers. The Huawei FreeClip earbuds initially hit the global market with black and purple color variants in late January, offering users a blend of style and functionality. Now, with the addition of the beige color option, Huawei aims to cater to diverse preferences and color aesthetics. This new hue is already making waves in markets such as Europe and the UK, where it has been warmly received by consumers. In terms of pricing, the Huawei FreeClip earbuds in beige are typically priced at $199 in Europe and $179 in the UK. However, Huawei has rolled out a special promotion in the UK, reducing the price of all color options, including beige, to $159 until June 11th. This strategic pricing move not only promotes the new color variant, but also incentivizes potential customers to explore the entire range of FreeClip earbuds. The Huawei FreeClip open earbuds have made a significant impact as the industry's first open headset without left-right ear differentiation, placing a premium on comfort with each earpiece weighing just 5.6 grams. This appearance innovation, comprising the comfort beam, acoustic ball, and C-bridge elements, not only ensures a snug and comfortable fit, but also delivers exceptional functionality. One of the standout features of the FreeClip open earbuds is their dual-device connectivity, allowing users to seamlessly switch between devices without any hassle. Whether you're using an Android or iOS device, these earbuds support a range of codecs including SBC, AAC, and L2HC, ensuring compatibility across a wide range of devices for a superior listening experience. Durability is also a key focus, with the FreeClip earbuds boasting an IP54 rating for water and dust resistance. This means you can confidently use them in various environments without worrying about damage from moisture or particles. Battery life is another area where the FreeClip open earbuds excel. With a total battery life of 36 hours, you can enjoy uninterrupted listening for extended periods. Each charge provides up to 8 hours of playback time, and thanks to fast charging technology, you can get 3 hours of listening time with just 10 minutes of charging. A full charge takes just 40 minutes, ensuring you spend more time enjoying your music and less time waiting for your earbuds to recharge. Overall, the Huawei FreeClip open earbuds combine cutting-edge technology with a focus on comfort and functionality, making them a compelling choice for anyone seeking a high-quality audio experience on the go. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.